Well, now let's talk business. You have until the end of this month to submit your views about taxes and incentives to be incorporated in a new policy being drafted for the manufacturing sector. Investment, Trade and Industry Cabinet Secretary Salim Mvurya says the government is keen on reviewing and harmonizing the tax regime and payment of pending bills to make the business environment more conducive.
We can rejuvenate and inspire the manufacturing sector, looking at key measures that will attract, incentivize and de-risk private investments in all sectors of the economy, rationalize incentives to boost manufacturing, and also look at measures that will improve consumer protection and fair trade. Measures to improve the performance of the export sector will be issues that we will need to work with KRA. There are issues that maybe we will work with the Attorney General, the National Treasury, and Parliament. So